Hello friends, this is our fourth lecture of C language series and today's topics are header file stdio.h, conio.h. So let's begin from header file. So we will see what is header file. In C and C++ languages, any file which has the extension .h is called as a header file. These header files are developed by the company which designed the IDE. For example, Turbo C is developed by Poland company. So its header file like conio.h, stdio.h are developed by that company. All mathematical functions like sqrt, paw, sine, cos, tan, log, etc. are available in header file called math.h. Similarly, all the functions which can draw different geometrical figures like circle, rectangle, line, polygon, ellipse are available in the header file called graphics.h. Now if a programmer wants, then he can or we can use this function in program which they develop, but before doing that the programmer must attach the required header file by using a special command called #include. Now we will see the syntax of how use header file in our program. #include, this is the command, and then we will write our header file. For every single header file, we have to use command #include. Like this. Now our next topic is stdio.h. The word stdio.h stands for standard input output header, and in programming the word standard input means keyboard and word standard output means monitor, or we can say screen of the monitor where we see the output of our program. So the header file stdio.h provide us functions related to keyboard and monitor, and the functions like printf, scanf. The function printf is used for output, displaying some text on a screen, and the function scanf is used for printing for taking value as an input from the keyboard. Since input output are most common operation done by every C program, so the header file stdio.h is used by almost every C program. Okay, now we'll see the practical how we can use printf. Now anything which I will write here will get printed, like a hello world, and it will get printed on the output, and so you can see there is a problem. We have written. Now this is correct. Now it will give correct output. What's problem? Actually this ID not support conio.h. Now it will run hello world. Okay. Our next topic is conio.h. The word conio stand for console input output, and in programming the word console means output window. It provides functions like clear screen, that is CLR SCR, get ch, go to xy. The clear screen function is used for clearing the console window. Get ch is used for pausing the console window where we get the output. To see the output we use get ch function, and go to xy is used for setting cursor position on the console window. So thank you for the today class. For my previous videos you can see in the description given below. Thank you.